What if becoming your next level self wasn't about working harder, but downloading a new identity, like a software update? You don't need to earn your upgrade. You just need to install it. Let me show you how. First, most people think identity is fixed, and that's based on personality traits or life history. But identity is actually an energetic code, a programmable operating system. Every version of you, the one making 5K a month, 50K a month, or 500K a month, exists in the quantum field. Those versions of you aren't better, they're just running different code. So the question isn't, how do I become them? It's, how do I download their identity into my system, into my body? So an identity download means shifting the energetic blueprint you're operating from. Instead of trying to get there, you collapse time by accessing the field where your next level self already exists and bring that version into you now. It's not fantasy, it's quantum physics. You're not pretending, you're updating. I'm going to teach you the 3-step identity download protocol. Sounds like a lot, but it isn't really. First step, locate the version. Close your eyes and imagine the version of you who already lives in the reality you desire. What do they know that you haven't remembered yet? How do they walk into a room? How do they respond to uncertainty? Why don't they worry about things anymore? Don't overthink it. Your body already knows. Step 2, download the code. Say aloud, I now download the energetic template of my next level self. Then breathe and feel the shift and see the code syncing like a software patch. It may feel like tingles or stillness or a deep knowing. Trust whatever shows up. Next, step 3, run the update. For the next 24 hours, move as if the download is complete. Make decisions as that version of you. Speak as them. Price your work as them. Show up on social media as them. You don't have to be perfect. You just have to act from the new code, not the old loop. You don't need to climb to your next level. You just need to access the version of you that's already living there and let them take the wheel. Becoming isn't about trying harder. It's about installing the frequency you were born to hold. If you're ready to run the update, hit subscribe. Comment below with this affirmation: the future me is now installed. And share this with a friend who's overdue for their next level upgrade. You're not behind. You're just one download away.